You can create a Geico reviews like this one for free using Nano Banana plus the new Veo 3 in just 2 minutes. So stick around and I will show you how. So first you need to sign up for an account. But don't worry, it's free. And then download the Chrome extension so you can use Nano Banana right inside of Google Chrome. Once you have your account created and the extension downloaded, you can head over to the website and click on Get Started. Now there are 3 options here. You can use your own private key, or if you don't have one, you can create one by clicking on Create New Wallet. This is what I did. Now once you have created your wallet, you will see your public key here. And you also have the option to create a QR code for that public key. Alright, so now we are ready to go over to Nano Banana. So click on Open Nano Banana. And this will open up Nano Banana inside of a new tab. Over on the left side, make sure you have Wallet selected and then click on the little plus sign right next to Balances. From here you want to select Add Custom Token. Now we are going to be adding the Veo token to our wallet. So click on Veo right here, select it and then click on Add to Watch List. We're all good. And now if we go back over to the main page, you can see Veo is right there on our watch list. Now to get some Veo tokens, you're going to have to add some money to your account. To do that, click on Buy VEO and then click on Buy Now. Right here you can either buy Veo with US dollars, or you can buy it with Ethereum USDT or bust. If you scroll down, you can see the different payment options you have available to you depending on where you live. For me, it's only showing the bank transfer option. So click on Bank Transfer and then click on Proceed to Payment. Here you can see my total is $215, which includes the service fee. So if I click on Pay 215 USD, this will take me to the bank portal where I can log in and authorize the payment. Now this is pretty much the same as doing a bank transfer to another person. There's nothing special about this. So once you have completed the transaction, Nano Banana will automatically add the Veo tokens to your account. Alright, so now that you have some Veo tokens, you can head back over to the website and you can start creating some AI KOL reviews for free. When you get to the homepage, you're going to want to click on Launch Veo 3. Now this will bring up the Veo 3 interface. Over on the left side, you have all of your different options. Click on Generate Content, and then you can choose between AI, Avatar, or KOL Profile. Since we are creating an AI KOL, you want to select AI Avatar and then click on Start Creating. Here you have a bunch of different prompts you can choose from, or you can create your own prompt. For this video, I'm going to select this one. Photo of a handsome young man wearing glasses sitting at a desk working on a laptop with a serious expression. Now I think this one is a little bit too long. So what I'm going to do is delete this part right here, save it, and then generate the image. Alright, let's see what we got. So the first one is not too bad. The second one is not great. The third one is not bad. And the fourth one is probably the best one out of all of them. I'm going to go ahead and select No. For now we need to describe the background. I'm going to go with Modern Office Interior Design. Generate. Alright, let's check these out. The first one is really good. The second one is not bad. The third one is good. The fourth one is very good. I'm going to go with number 3. Next you can add some clothes. I'm going to go with black shirt and blue jeans. Generate. Alright, let's check these out. These are all really good. I'm going to go with No. 2. Next you can add some accessories. I'm going to go with silver necklace. Generate. Alright, let's check these out. They all look good. I'm going to go with No. 3. Now we need to give our character a name. For this video I'm going to name him Henry AI. Next we need to write the prompt for the review. I'm going to go with Henry AI. Reviews a new smartphone. Now we can choose what type of review it is. I'm going to go with positive. Next we can choose the length of the review. Let's go with short. And finally we can choose the platform where the review was published. Let's go with YouTube. Generate. Alright, let's check this out. This is actually a really good looking video, and we can even change the background music by clicking on Change Music. I'm going to go with Epic Cinematic Background Music. This is actually really cool. So if you want to use this video, you can click on Save Video and download it to your computer. So that is how easy it is to create AI KOL reviews for free. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.